Here in this lecture we are going to discuss about a reflection of plane waves. Here let us I am considering when a electromagnetic wave electromagnetic wave traveling in one medium and encounters uh, at a different media at the boundary between two different mediums. Part of the wave is reflected back. And remaining part will be transmitted in the second medium. The strength of reflected wave and the transmitted wave depends upon the type of the medium used. Type of the medium used. Here in this session we are discussing about reflection of plane wave at the surface of perfect conductor. Here means we are considering the medium is what dielectric and perfect conducting conductor medium. It is perfect conducting medium. Here for dielectric medium, epsilon 1 is the permittivity of a dielectric medium. Here this is the perfect conductor. Here this is the interface between two mediums. Here let us I am considering let us the wave may be incident normal onto the perfect conductor, or it may be incident obliquely onto the surface of the conductor. It is here two cases we are observing. Here one is normal incidence, second one is the oblique incidence. Here in this session we are observing the normal incidence. For normal incident of the wave at the surface of perfect conductor. Here I am considering the electromagnetic wave is traveling in positive x direction, traveling in x direction. Here the wave is incident, means electromagnetic wave incident normally onto the surface of perfect conductor. It is surface of perfect conductor. Here for perfect conductors, here perfect conductor cannot sustain either electric or magnetic field. It is here means the magnetic field electric field inside the perfect conductor is 0. It is here means the entire wave is reflected back. The entire incident wave is reflected back. It is here now we are applying the boundary conditions between free space and the perfect conducting medium. Here boundary, what is the tangential component of electric field between free space and the perfect conducting medium? Tangential component is 0. Here the boundary is what? Boundary is x is equal to 0. It is boundary between dielectric medium and the perfect conducting medium is the boundary is, this is the boundary, x is equal to 0 is the boundary. It is okay. Here we are applying the boundary conditions between the dielectric medium and the perfect conducting medium. Tangential component of electric field is 0, means Et is equal to 0. It is here it will be satisfied when the incident and when the sum of incident and the reflected wave is 0. It is means E1 plus E2 is equal to 0. Here now we are expressing the incident wave and the reflected wave. Here incident wave E1 is equal to what? We are expressing it in terms of magnitude and the phase form. It is here actually it is the sinusoidal variation of electric field. It is okay. Incident wave E1 is equal to Ei into e power minus j of omega t minus beta x. Yes, similarly here E2 is equal to what? Er into e power minus j omega t plus beta x plus delta. Here delta is what? Here it is the phase with the wave reflex. The phase with the wave is reflex, incident wave is reflex it is. Here means from equation 1, E1 plus E2 is equal to 0. From this E1 is equal to what? Minus E2 it is. Here magnitude of E1 is equal to what? Magnitude of E2 it is. Here means from this, what is the magnitude of E1? Magnitude of E1 is EI. What is the magnitude of E2? E2 is ER. Means EI is equal to ER it is. Here actually E1 is equal to what? Minus E2 it is. The reflected wave is out of phase with the E1 it is. Means the phase difference between E1 and E2 is what? Pi it is. 180 degrees phase shift with the incident and the reflected wave it is. Here now we are determining the resultant wave equation due to reflection. Here it is denoted by Ex of t. Here it is the sum of incident and the reflected wave it is. Incident and the reflected wave means E1 plus E2 it is. Here E1 is equal to what? From equation 3. Here E1 is equal to EI into e power minus j of omega t minus beta x plus ER into e power minus j omega t plus beta x plus delta. What is the phase difference between E1 and E2? Pi it is. Here pi. Here now we are EI is equal to what? ER. EI is equal to ER. Means in place of ER I am writing EI. Here in these two terms common is EI it is. Here by taking real part of this above equation, here E x comma t is E of x comma t is equal to what? This is the resultant wave it is. Here EI into real part of e power minus j of omega t minus beta x is equal to what? Cos of omega t minus beta x. Actually how to write this one? Cos of omega t minus j beta x minus j into sine of omega t minus beta x. We are considering real part only. It means that is real part is what? Cos of omega t minus beta x plus here e power minus j omega t plus beta x plus pi is equal to what? Real part of this one is what? Cos of omega t plus beta x plus pi it is. Here cos of 180 plus theta. Cos of 180 plus theta. Cos of 180 plus theta is equal to what? Minus cos theta it is. Here minus cos of omega t plus beta x it is. Here this is of the form. Here cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b it is. Here which is equal to 2 sin omega t 2 sin a sin b. It means EI into 2 sin omega t sin beta x. Here E x of x comma t is equal to what? Here 2 into EI sin omega t sin beta x it is. I am taking this is the equation 7. Here this is the standing wave equation in terms of electric field it is. This is the standing wave equation in terms of electric field. Here now we are observing the corresponding waveform it is. Here let us, I am considering a t is equal to 0. Here we are substituting, here omega can be written as what? Omega is equal to what? 2 pi by capital T it is. Here beta is equal to what? 2 pi by lambda. Formulas we are observing. Omega is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Beta is equal to, omega is equal to 2 pi by T. Beta is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Here now we are taking T is equal to 0. Here T is equal to, small t is equal to 0. Here sin 0. Sin 0 is what? 0. This E x of t is what? 0. Here we are taking different values of x. The E of x comma t is what? The resultant wave is what? Straight line. It is the straight line it is at t is equal to 0. Similarly, at t is equal to t by 4. Here we are taking at t is equal to t by 4. Here means we are substituting here t by 4 it is. Here sine, here e x of t is equal to what? Here 2 into ei sine of 2 pi by t into t by 4. Here similarly, here means that equation is what? E of x comma t is equal to 2 into ei sine 5 by 2 sine 2 pi by t into t by 4 into sine beta x, simply sine beta x. Here this value is what? T get cancelled, 2 ja 4. Here sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 value is what? 0. Here means e of x comma, sine 5 by 2. Sine 90 is 1 it is. Here which is equal to what? Which is equal to 2 into ei sine beta x. Sine beta x. Here now we are varying the beta value. Corresponding beta is equal to 0, lambda by 4, lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 4, 2 lambda, and so on, like this it is. Here one example we are observing at x is equal to lambda by 4 it is. One value we are observing at x is equal to lambda by 4. Here means here e x of t is equal to what? 2 into ei sine beta. Beta value is what? 2 pi by lambda, sine of 2 pi by lambda into x is what? Lambda by 4 it is. 2 pi by lambda it is. Beta value is 2 pi by lambda. Lambda get cancelled. 2 ja 4 sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 value is what? 1 it is. Here means it is equal to 2 into ei it is. Here the magnitude at lambda by 4 is what? 2 ei. Okay, and continuous at lambda by 2 its amplitude is 0. And 3 pi by lambda by 2 its amplitude is 2 ei it is. And continuous like this it is. Here means here we are observing e x of t is, here from this equation we are observing e x of t is equal to 2 ei. Magnitude is maximum value. Here it is maximum value. Here e of x comma t is equal to maximum for odd multiples of lambda by 4 it is. Here lambda by 4, at lambda by 4 it is 2 ei maximum value, at 3 lambda by 4, similarly 5 lambda by 4, and so on, continuous like this it is. For those values amplitude is maximum it is. Here maximum amplitude. Here it is 0 for x is equal to 0 and multiples of lambda by 2 it is, and multiples of lambda by 2. Here lambda by 2, 1 lambda by 2, 2 lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2, and so on, like this it is. For those values e x comma t is equal to 0. Here this is the standing wave. Standing wave. Here in the standing wave equation, this is the standing wave equation. This is the standing wave it is. Okay. Here similarly we are observing the standing wave in terms of magnetic field it is. Standing wave in terms of magnetic field. Here what is the phase difference between electric field and the magnetic field? In electromagnetic wave, electric field is perpendicular to the magnetic field it is. The phase difference between E and H is 90 degrees it is. Here actually the phase difference between magnetic incident wave and the reflected wave is what? 0 it is. Here in this we are observing the phase difference between magnetic incident wave and reflected wave is what? 0. Phase difference is 0 it is. Phase difference is 0. Here means H1 is equal to what? Incident wave is equal to reflected wave it is. H1 is equal to H2 it is. H1 is the incident wave, H2 is the reflected wave it is. Here H1 is equal to what? Hi into E. Similarly, in similar fashion for electric fields. In similar fashion, we are writing the magnetic incident wave and the reflected wave it is. Here H1 is equal to what? Hi into e power minus j of omega t minus beta x. H2 is equal to what? Hr into e power minus j omega t plus beta x plus delta. Here magnitudes of H1 and H2 H1 is what? Magnitude of H1 is Hi, magnitude of H2 is Hr it is. What is the phase difference between H1 and H2? 0 it is. Delta is 0 it is. Now we are obtaining the resultant wave. Here this is the resultant wave it is. Here resulting wave. Here now we are obtaining resulting wave equation in terms of magnetic resultant magnetic wave due to reflection of the magnetic wave it is. Here h of x of t is equal to what? H1 plus H2 it is. Similar to electric fields it is. H of x comma t is equal to what? H1 plus H2, which is equal to what? Hi into e power minus from equation 9 and 10, H1 plus H2. Here H1 is what? Hi into e power minus j of omega t minus beta x plus Hr into e power minus j of omega t plus beta x plus delta value is what? 0. Phase difference between incident and the reflected wave is what? 0 it is. But now we are considering here Hi is equal to Hr it is. Here Hr can be written as what? Hi. Here in these two terms common is what? Hi. Here by taking real part of this equation it is. Here Hi of real part of this one is what? Cos of omega t minus beta x plus here resultant real part of this equation is what? Cos of omega t plus beta x it is. Here cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b it is. Here which is equal to what? 2 cos a cos b it is. Here means Hi into 2 cos omega t cos beta x it is. Cos beta x. Here h of x comma t is equal to what? 2 into Hi cos omega t cos beta x it is. Here this equation is called as what? Standing wave equation in terms of magnetic field. Here similarly at t, now we are considering at t is equal to t by 4. Here the equation can be written as what? H of x comma t is equal to what? 2 Hi cos omega. Here omega value is what? 2 pi by t. Cos of 2 pi by t into t by 4 it is. Here 2 to ja 4 it is. T get cancel. Here cos pi by 2 it is. Cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 value is what? Cos pi by 2 0. Cos pi by 2 is 0 it is. Here h of x comma t. The resultant wave equation is what? X of t is what? 0. Means straight line it is. Straight line simply. Amplitude is 0. Straight line. Okay. Straight line. Here similarly, here at t is equal to t by 2. T is equal to t by 2. Hx comma t is equal to what? Here 2 hi cos 2 pi by t. Omega is 2 pi by t into t by 2. T get cancel. 2 get cancel. Cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1 into cos beta x. Here we are taking different values of b. Here this can be written as what? Minus 2 hi cos beta 2 pi by lambda into x. Here for different here which is equal to what? Minus 2 hi cos of 2 pi by lambda into x. Here we are observing the wave equation. Here actually hx comma t for t is equal to t by 2. Here which is equal to what? Minus 2 hi cos beta x. Beta is what? 2 pi by lambda into x. Here now we are taking different values of x. at x is equal to 0, sorry, x is equal to 0, cos 0 is what? 1, means minus 2hi. At 0 minus 2hi it is, magnitude is 2hi. Similarly, x is equal to lambda by 4. Here lambda by 4 means here minus 2hi, here lambda by 4, at lambda by 4, what is the value? Lambda by 4, here 2 2 ja, lambda get cancel, cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 value is 0. Here at lambda by 4, amplitude is 0 it is. And similarly at lambda by 2, amplitude is 2 into hi, like this it is, and continues the wave like this it is. This is the standing wave. This is the standing wave equation. In terms of standing wave. This is the standing wave in terms of magnetic field it is.